time is it?
10:30, 10:43 already.
Yeah, we need to leave. Oh, it looks nice at least in the morning. Are you okay? Alrighty, we are gonna leave our out here which I want to follow. This peanuts too much. Anton, where are we going to eat?
I have no idea. Somewhere.
Oh, we need to get clothes, yeah. Nike's out there.
But I want to go Colombia.
Stuff that he has looked up online, it's not available in store. And he's going totally crazy right now. Watch it. Did you find what you're looking for?
I have not.
What about this one? This one. I've always known one thing. That style that you see on online, 80% of the time it's not available in store. What just happened?
I don't want to look no more.
So, huge, that's better. Wanna go in? Alrighty, so let's go to the Nike and shop something. So, we have picked up these. We're gonna try it out. Anton, what did you pick up?
Couple shirts.
Huh, I like the blue one. Yeah. So I picked some yellow, blue. We're gonna check this out, try it out. This one's going on, thank you.
Just let you know, all sales are final.
Alrighty, yeah. It's more like it. Alrighty, thank you a lot. Thank you.
I asked you to go to the guy
You said just bring the stuff.
and get a phone. And what did you do? You did not go to the guy. Instead, you tried to go to the cool rack. And what was the result of that?
I wanted hand sanitizer. What did you bring me?
Mocha mocha.
Vegas, Dubai, we're leaving to Utah.
Raiders.
But that is the stadium for the Raiders. Right on the opposite of Mandalay Bay. Country roads,
Take me home
to the place,
where I belong,
Utah,
or Nevada.
Mountain Mama,
Fly the drone.
fly the drones, country road. We have seen videos with the GoPro HERO 8. Today, this is the setup. The GoPro HERO 9 is going to try to get some cinematic footage. We are going to check because this quadcopter gets vibration and everything. Sometimes my GoPro HERO 8 was not able to compensate. Though it's tuned, but it's heavy. That's what it feels like. It feels very heavy on a quad if you're flying FPV or anything. But maybe that will be the new normal if you are shooting 5K, because next year GoPro is going to make this 5K 60. So let it begin. Battery, we are running 1500 4S. I do not do 6S. I should have had at least a 2000 milliamp 4S. Again, the GoPro HERO 9 is heavy, so we will be using smaller batteries or lighter batteries, to be honest. Heavier your quad, better you get in stability and performance, but you significantly lose your flight time. And when you're doing long range, flight time matters a lot. I think that, in my opinion, flying like FPV for about like a year and a half now, I literally think that it's very important to shed off as much extra weight as needed to be honest, as needed. But that's again my personal opinion, to be honest. Before I begin, I want to switch the power of my crossfire to 1 watt. The reason I'm going to do 1 watt is that I'm going to run an 800 milliwatt VTX. So TX power should be 1 watt.